What did I do to deserve this? I didn't even get one last kiss from you. Oh baby, God took your love from me. You needed an angel, so it seems. I need to feel your hands all over me. I need to feel you kissing me. I need to feel you holding me. I need to feel your touch. 'Cause I miss your love so much. And I can't go on living this way. I need you here with me. Why could he take you away from me? It's hard for me to tell you I love you as I'm standing over your grave. And I know I'll never hear your voice again. Why did you leave me? Why couldn't you just stay? Because my world is nothing without you. And I don't know what to do with myself. I would have given you anything just to make you happy. Just to hear you say that you love me one last time. I'd go to hell and back over and over again.